For those who love all the fire and heat, the dish we will prepare today will deliver just that. Hi friends, welcome to Spicebox Indo-Chinese Special. Today I will share with you how to make Chinese style spicy chicken wings that will make great finger food or appetizer. These chicken wings are coated with a delicious, tangy, spicy and a mildly sweet sauce and deep fried to perfection. The ingredients we require today are chicken wings, egg, tomato ketchup, soy sauce, pepper powder, salt, corn flour, green chilies, ginger garlic paste, lime juice, green chili sauce, red chili sauce, honey, and then we need red bell pepper and spring onions for garnish. To start with, we'll take our chicken wings and we will season it with salt and pepper. And then we'll let it marinate for 15-20 minutes. If you have more time, half an hour should be good. Remember that we're going to add soy sauce as well, so you don't have to add too much of salt. The dish is spicy, so you can be liberal with the black pepper. Massage it in and set it aside. Now we'll make the dipping sauce for the wings. Take the chili sauce, add it into the ketchup, and then add some fresh green chilies. We don't need to add salt because the chili sauce already has some in it. Now we will prepare the coating sauce for the chicken. Take the cornstarch, break an egg, some soy sauce, lemon juice, a good helping of the ginger garlic paste, chili sauce. You could always add more or less, and some honey. Mix all this together. Making sure that there's no lumps of cornstarch. If you need, you could always add some water to thin it down. And now add the chicken wings. Let this coat well and we're ready for the next step, which will be to deep fry the wings. Our oil is now hot. We're ready to deep fry the chicken wings. Just stand a little far because it might splutter. Cook it on a low flame until they're nice and brown. Our wings are now done. It's time to turn the gas off. Just look at the beautiful brown color. Now if you want to do a healthier version, if you don't want to deep fry, you could always bake it in the oven at 180 degrees for about 20 minutes or till you stick a knife through the fleshiest part of the wing and the juices run clear. Garnish with some red bell peppers and then some of the green onions that we had sliced earlier. Chinese style hot wings are everyone's favorite sweet and spicy appetizer. You can whip these up in almost no time at all. So I hope you will try it for your next get together.